అంశాలు. దీపావళి రోజును జాతీయ సెలవు రోజుగా ప్రకటించాలని అమెరికా కాంగ్రెస్లో దీపావళి డే బిల్లును నవంబర్ 3న ప్రవేశపెట్టారు. దీపావళి సందర్భంగా నవంబర్ 4న మహాత్మాగాంధీ జీవితాన్ని ప్రతిబింబించేలా 5 పౌండ్ల స్మారక నాణ్యాన్ని బ్రిటన్ ఆర్థిక మంత్రి రిషి సునక్ ఆవిష్కరించారు. ఇందులో భారత జాతీయ పుష్పం కమలం పువ్వుతో పాటు మై లైఫ్ ఈజ్ మై మెసేజ్ అనే గాంధీజీ సూక్తిని పొందుపరిచారు. జాతీయ అంశాలు. అక్టోబర్ 26 నుంచి నవంబర్ 2 వరకు విజిలెన్స్ అవగాహన వారంలో భాగంగా
Good morning everyone, this is Sagar Dharamso, 10th standard from TTWREIS Boys, Maripeda. Before going to a topic, I would like to ask few questions related to today's topic. Try to answer it. Well friends, is it possible to alive without eating food? Obviously the answer is no. Without food we can't stay or we can't live. For that we eat various foods in our day-to-day life. For example, what is this? This is a tomato. And what is this? This is a bitter gourd. What is this? These are the tamarins. And what is this? This is a lemon. These are the some food substances what we eat every day. So friends, what is the taste of this lemon? Yes, this is bitter to taste. And what is the taste of this bitter gourd? It is bitter to taste. And what is the taste of this tamarind? Yes, the taste of these tamarinds are so to taste. And what is the taste of these grapes? Yes, the taste of grapes are so to taste. Yes friends, based on this taste property, these food substances are categorized into acidic food substances and bases food substances. Yes friends, not only these foods, but there are some more examples of acids and bases are. See friends, here these are the examples of acids and bases. HCl, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and nitric acid, HNO3, and acetic acid, CH3COOH. And going to a base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, and calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, and ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. These are the some more examples of acids and bases, but these acids and bases are mostly available in our science laboratories. Yes friends, here there are some more properties of acids and bases are there. First let us discuss about acid properties. Yes friends, here we see that acids changes blue litmus to red color, and they are so to taste, and they releases H plus ions. Yes friends, the best example these acids are curd and tamarind and lemon, and these are the examples of acid friends. And bases, the properties of bases are they are bitter to taste as well as they are soapy to touch, they change red litmus to blue, as well as they release OH minus ions. Friends, I have a question here. I told you that this acid changes blue litmus to red color, as well as these bases change red litmus to blue color. Then what is this litmus? Is they really change their color? So let us perform a small activity to get clear information about that. So friends, here I took a 10 ml of acid, and this is a red litmus paper. So see friends, here I am going to dip the blue litmus paper into the acid. See here and observe it carefully. Yes friends, what color we got here? It is red color. What is that? It is red color. By this way we say that acid changes blue litmus to red color. And here I am going to take the base solution, and this is a red litmus paper. I am going to dip this and observe it carefully. See friends, what color we got here? Yes, it is blue color. What is that? It is blue color. By this activity we can say that base changes red litmus to blue color. Yes friends, coming to our next topic, that is indicator. Do you have any basic idea about this indicator, or what do you mean by this indicator? Let me share a real life example about indicator. Yes friend, we all use vehicles at our homes. Example of vehicles are cars, motorbikes, etc., etc. Yes, and there are the side lights to those vehicles. Is there any use of that side lights? Yes friends, there is a important use of these side lights, because when we travel from one place to another place, we just take crosses in between the roads. So to indicate our specific direction, we just switch on the indicator, is nothing but side light, to indicate our direction to our behind vehicle. In the same way, in our today's topic, here there are the two types of indicator. Indicator means which indicates the changes in color when they are added to other solutions. So there are two types of indicators are there. They are natural indicator and another is chemical indicator. Friends, here we can see that the natural indicator. Here the turmeric powder and beetroot and petals of hibiscus, these are categorized as natural indicator. Yes friends, I have a small doubt here. Why this turmeric powder, beetroot and petals of hibiscus are only categorized as natural indicator? Yes friends, there is a important fact behind it. So let us do that. Let me explain what is that before going to do the experiment. Yes friend, we eat various food in our dining hall. Sometimes a drop of food material or which falls on our shirt and it looks like a big stain. So what we do then? We just applies the soap to clear it. Is it real? Yes, it's real. So let us do the same experiment. Imagine friend, this is my white shirt and it is unknowingly a small stain is fall on it. See how is it look like? It is very dirty. So now here I am going to apply the soap to clear it. See friends, observe here. See friends, here I am trying to apply it, trying to clear it, but here the turmeric powder is changed into red color. Do you observe here? Here the turmeric powder is changed into red color. So here the turmeric powder is changed into red color. That means here the indicator is indicating the change in color. So see friends, by this way we can say that turmeric powder is a natural indicator. So moving to chemical indicator. Do you know what's meant by chemical indicator? Yes, there are two types of chemical indicators are there. So do you know what is this and what is this? Yes, this is a methyl orange and this is a phenolphthalein. What are they? This is a methyl orange and this is a phenolphthalein. So we use these indicators in our science labs to determine or to consider a given solution is whether acidic or basic. Well friends, let us perform a small activity to know the acidic and basic solutions. So friends, here I took 10 ml of acidic solution and here I am going to add drop by drop to the acid and observe it carefully. See friends, after shaking it well, what color we got here? Yes, it's completely red color. What color it is? Yes, it is red color. So by this we say that acid plus methyl orange gives red color. And again I am going to do the experiment with base solution. Here I took 10 ml of base solution. Again I am going to add methyl orange into it drop by drop. Observe it carefully. See friends, after adding methyl orange to it and after shaking it well, what color we observe here? Yes, it is completely yellow color. What is that? It's completely yellow color. Let us do the activity using phenolphthalein. See friends, here I took the same 10 ml of acid solution in another beaker. I am going to add this phenolphthalein drop by drop, and see friends, after shaking it well, is there any change in color? No, there is no change in color. The color remained colorless. See friends, observe it carefully. When acid solutions are added with phenolphthalein, there is no change in color and it remained as colorless. Let us do with base solution. Here I took the 10 ml of base solution. Again I am going to add the phenolphthalein drop by drop. Observe it. See friends, after shaking it well, what is the change in color? Yes, it is pink color. What is that? It is pink color. So, by this way, we conclude that base plus phenolphthalein gives pink color and base plus methyl orange give yellow color. For a better clarification, see this picture. See this friends, here test of acids and bases with methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicator. We see here acids, when acid plus methyl orange, it turns into red color. What is that? Acid plus methyl orange gives red color, and acid base plus methyl orange gives yellow color. What is that? Base plus methyl orange gives yellow color, and acid plus phenolphthalein gives colorless, and base plus phenolphthalein gives pink color. What is that? Base plus phenolphthalein gives pink color. So, by this way we conclude these are the indicator which changes their colors by adding in different acidic and basic solutions. Yes friend, do you know there is a hidden fact behind this activity? Guess what it may be? Yes friends, so sometime in our homes or at our school or at our villages, some of the magicians or jugglers, they come and they just performs different activities. Among them, lemon experiment is also one of the experiment is lemon experiment. So, see friends, they just cuts their lemon with their knives and they just extracts a blood like fluid. Is that really a blood? So, let us perform the activity and let us know what is the reality. See friends, see friends, this is a lemon. This is a lemon. So, lemon consists of citric acid. What is that? Citric acid, and this is also a best example acid substance. So, see friends, here I am going to cut this lemon, but one thing I want to say that before going to cut this lemon, I just applied methyl orange to this knife. So, the reaction of, let us see what happens. See friends, here we got a red like fluid. It is nothing but just the citric acid is when added with methyl orange, it gave a red like fluid, but it is not the blood. So, hope you guys understand this experiment, and I request you guys don't lose your money and don't fall into the trap of jugglers and magicians. All they are fake. I hope all you guys understand about this experiment. And next, moving to our topic, salt. Is it possible to eat food without adding salt to it? Obviously, the answer is no, because without adding salt to the food, it remains as tasteless and it is not suitable to eat. So, friends, do you know what is the main role of this salt? Yes, salt plays an important role. That is, it makes our blood circulation at constant. So, do you know how the salt is formed? Yes, salt is formed by the combination of acid and base. It gives salt and water. What is that? Combination of acid and base it gives salt and water, and this reaction also known as neutralization reaction. As well as I want to say that, do you know what is the common for chemical name of this salt? Yes, it is sodium chloride. What is that? It is sodium chloride, and it is also called as stable salt. For a better conclusion, see this peak. See friends, here acid reacts with base and gives salt and water. What is that? Acid reacts with base and give salt and water. This reaction is also called as neutralization reaction. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. See here, HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus water, nothing but HCl, hydrochloric acid, reacts with sodium hydroxide and gives salt and water. Example of salts are NaCl, sodium chloride, and KCl, that is nothing but potassium chloride, and Na2SO4, nothing but sodium sulphate, and NaHCO3, nothing but sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. Well friends, I hope you understand about this salt. Okay, I told you here the word neutralization reaction. Do you know this neutralization reaction is not only useful in the formation of salt, but there are some more examples of neutralization reactions are there. Guess what are they? Yes friends, there are many examples of neutralization reactions are there. Let me teach some of them. Example 1. Yes, we don't eat food sometimes in a day. Then what happens then? We just get the acidity because our stomach secretes HCl acid for the digestion of food. But we don't eat food here. So what happens? The concentration of hydrochloric acid becomes more and it gives burning feel. So what measures we have to take to overcome this challenge? Yes, there is only one way, is to take antacids. Antacids are nothing but the base substance in the form of tablet. So when we take this tablet into our stomach, it goes and neutralizes the stomachs and it gives reliefness to us. And one more example of this neutralization reaction is, yes, sometimes ant bites. It is a common thing in our day-to-day life. So how we feel when ant bites? Yes, it also creates a burning feel. What is that? It also creates a burning feel. Do you know why it gives burning feel? Yes, you are right, because here the ant injects formic acid into our skin. What is that? Here the ant injects formic acid into our skin. So in ancient times, many people applies baking soda to get reliefness from that burning feel. Do you know why baking soda only is taken? Because baking soda is a base substance. When base substance is added to the acid, it neutralizes the part and it gives reliefness. And example 3, do you know why we have to brush our teeth only by using toothpaste? First of all, why we have to brush our teeth? Yes friends, because we have to brush our teeth because we eat food at night and we just take rest on the bed. What happens? The food particles which remain in our mouths get decomposed and they create the acidity in our mouths. So when acidity is created, our mouths are getting to spoil. So in the way of this, all of we brush our tooth using toothpaste. Here the toothpaste is a basic substance. So by applying toothpaste to our brush and we just brush our teeth, by doing this our mouth gets neutralized and we are free from the acidity and we are away from the spoil of our teeth. Well friend, so let us recapitulate what we have discussed. Yes, summary: acids are sour to taste, they change as red litmus to blue litmus to red color. Examples: acids, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, this is nothing but ammonium, and here H2SO4 is nothing but sulfuric acid, as well as sulfuric acid is also called as king of the laboratory, friends, remember that point. And here bases are bitter to taste, bases turns red litmus to blue color, as well as some few examples of bases are NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. Yes friend, this is our class, and here I am arguing that acids are more concentrated than bases. Do you agree with this statement? Yes friends, you have to agree, because there are the evidences to say that acids are more concentrated than base substances. So let me teach what the evidences are. Yes friends, apple is a example of acidic substance. Sometimes we eat half of the apple and remaining half we put on the table or somewhere at our home. What happens then? Yes, the bitten part of the apple turns into brown color within seconds. Do you know why it is happened like that? Yes, because the acid which is present in the apple reacts with the outer atmosphere and it changes into brown color. This is one of the example that to say that acids are more reactive than bases. So coming to a base, yes friends, here I told you that example of bases are calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is nothing but lime water. So we apply this calcium hydroxide to our homes to get a better view. So when we apply this calcium hydroxide, we won't get the pure white color in time. So it takes some more time, or it takes nearly 2-3 hours to get the white color. So here the calcium hydroxide is taking more time to change into white color. So by this way we can say that calcium hydroxide takes more time to change into white color. So bases are less reactive than acids. Yes friends, I hope all you guys understand today's class and thank you for giving me this opportunity, and as well as I thankful to our Telangana government and our Gurukulam society, and I very much thankful to our school principal Sri Krishna Kumar Garu and guide teacher Srimati Madhav ma'am and other science teacher, as well as I thankful to my friends who has helped me to do this. Thank you one and all.